Welcome and hello everyone. My name is Gordon Feener and I am an attorney located in Boston, Massachusetts with a satellite office in Stoneham, Mass. During the course of this video, I'd like to focus on the issue of homeowner insurance coverage for home businesses. This video is in a series of videos concerning the Massachusetts homeowner insurance policy. You may be viewing this video because you're operating a business out of your house and may have concerns as to what coverage may be available under your standard homeowner insurance policy for your business property. Before I begin discussing the subject matter of this video, I'd like to briefly summarize my background. I have been in business as an attorney for more than 30 years, providing legal services with a concentration in homeowner and property-related claims. Prior to starting this office, I worked for approximately 20 years in the insurance industry as an adjuster, senior adjuster, and senior property claims examiner, supervising the adjustment of claims by both staff and independent adjusters. This video will focus on the Homeowner 3 policy as it is the most popular homeowner insurance policy. The Massachusetts homeowner insurance policy provides insurance coverage for the homeowner under two separate sections of the policy. With an increasing number of individuals working from home, a question generally arises as to whether the business property that is being used by the homeowner for business or in connection with a home-based business is covered. The first section of the policy generally provides coverage for the property of the homeowner, including the building and contents, subject to various limitations and exclusions. The second section of the homeowner policy generally provides coverage for the homeowner in the event that a claim or litigation is brought against the homeowner or insured. Generally, the Massachusetts homeowner insurance policy provides coverage for personal property owned or used by an insured while it is anywhere in the world. With respect to business personal property, the standard policy has 4 subparagraphs with limitation language. I'll now go through those paragraphs for you. The first subparagraph in this section states that the coverage is subject to a special limit of $2,500 for personal property on the resident premises used primarily for business purposes. As a homeowner, you should be aware that the language used in the policy which focuses on the word primarily. If you conduct business at your kitchen table, you have a great argument that the kitchen table is not used primarily for business purposes. However, if you have purchased a computer desk where you conduct your business and you use that computer desk primarily for business purpose, then it would be subject to the limitation. The second subparagraph of this section of the policy indicates that the policy generally provides coverage of $500 on property away from the residence when it is used primarily for business purpose. However, this $500 limit does not apply to electronic apparatus and other property otherwise described or limited by the insurance policy in subsequent sections. One such limitation in the Massachusetts homeowner insurance policy generally provides $1,500 on electronic apparatus and accessories while in or upon a motor vehicle, but only if that apparatus is equipped to be operated by power from the motor vehicle electrical system while still being capable of being operated by other power sources. The second subsequent limitation provides that the policy also provides a $1,500 limit for coverage on electronic apparatus and accessory used primarily for business while away from the resident premises and not in or upon a motor vehicle. It goes on to say that this apparatus must be equipped to be operated by a power system of the motor vehicle electrical system while still being capable of being operated by other sources. These business equipment limits would be subject to any changes that would have been made to the basic policy form as a result of the insurance carrier or the homeowner adding or requesting a specific endorsement. If you have not yet viewed our video on endorsements, I would invite you to do so at this time. There are additional exclusions under the policy, including exclusions concerning coverage of business data. This includes such data stored in books or accounts, drawings, or other paper records, or stored in computers and related equipment. As you can readily see, the issue of business equipment and data being covered under the homeowner insurance policy is very confusing. Depending upon what type of business you are operating out of your home, you may also wish to consider contacting your insurance company with respect to getting an endorsement on your homeowner insurance policy, allowing you to increase the standard policy limits for business equipment. Another option is to consider a small business policy, which would provide additional coverage for both business property and for general liability coverage. If your home business is sufficiently large and your home is being visited by customers on a regular basis, you may wish to consider obtaining a business owner package policy, commonly known as a BOP, abbreviated with the capital letters capital B, capital O, capital P. These business policies are package policies that can, in many cases, provide for loss of income and extra expense and liability coverage should something occur. If you have suffered a loss involving business-related equipment and need assistance with your insurance claim, please do not hesitate to contact the Law Office of Gordon Feener and Associates. Hopefully, this video has given you sufficient information and direction in order to further educate yourself on the issue of business insurance coverage and whether to seek additional coverage above and beyond the standard homeowner insurance policy. For additional information, you may wish to visit our website at www.attorneyfeener.com or www.homeownerclaims.com. In conclusion, I'd like to thank you for watching this video and remind you that this video can be considered to be advertising under the ethical rules. Any selection of an attorney should be a careful and thoughtful decision. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I invite you to watch my other videos concerning homeowner claims, and have a good day.